What is it?
Grab it. Right there.
It's facing the wrong way.
No, there was a piece she could grab. Give her a corner. Give her like this side. Yeah, she got kind of better. Yeah.
There, I got a better idea.
No, she's fine.
Well, let's put it on the side where she can start tearing.
Hey, good girl.
Smart.
Yay!
Notice how you had to say that.
Shut up. She's fine. Let her do it on her own.
I can make it a mile. Oh, little brother.
You're gonna fall with a champion. Not so much traction on that. I mean,
She's having fun just by doing this. This is also something new for her to play with. She doesn't need to open it.
Oh, doll.
New toy!
That was right. There we go. There we go.
I'll take that. Try again.
Yay!
Thank you. Very good.
We're on a roll. Oh, good girl.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, very nice. We got a little system worked out here. Can I have that, please? Thank you. Wow, look at that.
This is a smart baby.
Well, it's her
Can I
second
have it?
present.
Thank you.
It's the second time. She should be better.
That was quick.
Oh, I know what it is. Keep looking. Keep going.
I don't think Ray knows what it is yet. After she opens it, I don't know if she's gonna know what it is.
Probably not.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job,
girl.
Yeah. Can I have that, please? Thank you.
That's more fun than the actual gift.
That's pretty impressive, actually.
Yeah. Alright, Johnny, why don't you help? Because, whatever.
Running out of batteries.
Ooh. Yay! Whoa.
That's one of if she grabbed it and fell off the couch, she would definitely get laughed. Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yay! Wait. Johnny,
Oh,
you deprived her of her joy.
She was going to finish that. And I think she's going to do it. Oh, she got it!
Yay!
No.
And she's got her toy. Look at her eat her toy. But look what you really got.
Ooh.
Look at this.
That'll be fun. We can put that on the floor.